Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specialized in commercial diesel parts. Today I would like to share with you one of our injector, this one. Let's take a look. And first, our outside package is neutral white box. The label contains one size each piece, and the product code is 0445110491. The logo, label, the packaging details, etc. We support customized service. And inside of it, it has two layers. The first layer avoids some damages during the transportation. And the second layer is this blue VCI anti-rust bag. That's the inside product. You can take a look for this one, this injector. And for this injector, it's applicable for NISSAN. The OE number is NISSAN 16600MD20A. High quality each items before sent out will make the 3 times commercial test. And also we supply goods after sales service, 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it for you. Take a look for the details. This is a protection cover. The plug. And in its position, as you can see here, generally inside of it, it has triangle valve. The oil can be go through from this position. And then it's an injector body. At last, it will be the injector nozzle. Each of the spare parts, like the injector nozzle, the control valve, solenoid valve, generally we use By the Schumatt, green power, etc. If you want hair quality, we can use our original Bosch. Also on this part, you can see the surface is printed with the product code and other information about this injector. So much for this injector. At last, if you want to know more about our product, you can send comments to me. Caitlin will help you to check it. Also, download the Trackbook app to search each of the product, because we not only selling the injector, but also we supply the control valve, the pumps, repair kit, the nozzle, etc. Okay, at last, remember follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.